Meaning of evaporate.
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 Evaporate. The term evaporate refers to the process by which a liquid substance transforms into a gaseous state. This occurs when the molecules in the liquid gain enough energy to break free from the surface and become airborne. As a result, the liquid volume decreases, and the remaining substance becomes more concentrated. When a liquid, such as water, evaporates, it forms water vapor, which can be seen as mist or steam. Evaporation is an essential process in the water cycle, which regulates the distribution of water across the planet.